Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I'm going to talk about how I design these toast notification bars for my web apps. So typically, I have these notifications or like toast bars in all my web apps. It is not very accessible, but it's very useful for the users. Along with this, we can have some accessible callouts or something, but for the UI, this is very good. It usually comes in the bottom middle or like bottom right of the screen for the users, and it will have live updates. It will have buttons, and it will have something for it to close and things like that. But I usually design it with three heights: the single line height like this, the text, the heading and the description text double line like this, and the heading, description, and button bar like this. So these are three heights I usually design for, and everything, all the variations will usually come with these three heights. For example, the single line height, this or you just use to show some very small information like generating something, something that's gonna close very soon, like a connection restored. This will close in like 5 seconds, so they don't have time to read everything. And things that are present always, like storage almost full, this will be present always in the middle of the screen or something like that. Here also we don't need more information. Storage almost full, that conveys it, and we have a button to upgrade. And for the next double line or a slightly higher height, here we have lots of other things like a close button, like undo button, accept, and the things like uploading bar, everything like that. So all these things come under this height. And if you notice, everything has an icon so that it's uniform. And some things has the avatar images, and some most of the things have icons, and some things have green, which is of course used to denote something's good happening. And the storage almost full has yellow, which is denoting that it's going to be red soon, so act now. And something has red, which is of course something has failed, or there's an error somewhere. So yeah. And for the failed state, we also have the retry and dismiss button. And for the like product announcement, later, try it now buttons. And for like actual notifications, we have view all messages and mark as right button. So yeah, these are the few heights that I go for, and these are the states that I usually have in like any web app. So I have designed like lots of web apps, and these are all the tools that I use for everything, and this works beautifully. So, and these are the tools that I keep on redesigning, everywhere. So yeah, if you are designing toast, try this method, and it'll probably be helpful for you. So yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.